Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadin baka Voice of the People Party kala penpendapat bahkan penlongnya ke Jingshong kelan mengor Hakmat Secretariat kumsi benta bandawa naka Sorkar ban penek iki Ophisar jong ke Lokayukta ke bala Thungkam nakaliang sembut menteri rang ba ke jelna ba Preston Tinsong ula keren syai baka Sorkar kanam thung lani kanam penek Shuh iki bre ke bala Thungkam ban ladaki nongelam ki kwa ban wan ya keren bat ke Sorkar kimat wan Henry nakaliang ke Sorkar kanam khot ban ya keren namar haba ke Sorkar ka thung ki breu ki bedang don ka kam lani ka service kani kan kampensuk bat wanra ka jing mento ye ke Sorkar lingba ka jing trai thikna klem kanu ke jing bakla Shuh ba Preston lo ongru ba imat ki bre ke bala Thungkam napo ka Lokayukta kidon ka Jingïadei bat ki ba penlong ya ka Ïakhih mentaka sengi.
Tegi ong bakin beteng ba ya ka Ïakhih kat baka Sorkar kam reinstate ya kini kilaingon.
Oh, ngim reinstate. Nah, to karul spek ong no.
Ki ong ba kat kum ka at ki officer kila bandai ki retired lani ki badang serve apa ka service joki henry ki di bandon ya kata kerdan kum bala provide kat kum tu ka at kila bandai ki IAS ki MCS kama kata kerdan ki di bandon
Kade. To, ni pada ngong ya
mereka klaim empat ba kendai bet tang kini ki serving officer.
Page dengan ong ya pitang away. Habangi ong saving but retired kaya gijinya pair. Retired and saving is what? Kaya different. But kaya responsibility. Jong ki retired but ki saving. Shuh mentang ini ki retired. Kamtam kini ki post kini ki walang very important. Makin function. Te Shuh don kanur kanu. Kaba ke complication. Ki kino ni lala ngim donate. Lada berkelaro Debbie. Kebala adres kalau nggak Sorkar kan Shuh. Pun no. And lagi saving officers, we can't do that. Nampak belayu. Ke procedure sekadar. Kumno banle, kumno bantre, berpinbut, ya ke rule ka ai. Tik patik, ban le berkelam long. Naman nga kumong opi bunsin, anda lah song thai. La long Mday te kum ki full-fledged employees. Ki full-fledged employees plus tu ke responsibility. Ke jongki. Ke number 2, ka point number 2. Habangi ai ki saving officers. Ngi save ru. Haga jakabi ngin ai ki de salary. Ngi ai ki TADA. Sitting fees. Tangkatala biak. Mday ba ai ki de tulok. Te hantar ngong pi kalah mentoi sibun. Today, he dengar kau ngong pi ngidala syong bahang ila sani lut nadong sedong. Then on that basis, ba ngisa thum daki saving officers haki tu ki post, but kitu ki post yiki bagi thum mentaruk lewat. Yo pi ong bagi violate ya ka rules dan ka act. Na ka tu ka post ka ba. Ngong pi ka bagi la thum mentak kita lain.
Kadang kajing kena saya halor kani kajing weng yang kini kilaingon. Ki ong ba ka investigation kadai halor jong ka bamsap apo GHDC ke bala kuat jong klur badan ketilang u kenum jong u chief minister u bodai u amali.
People benong.
Kadang kajing kena.
Telong tak kamu to. Lah bagi kena tapi orang weng stong ya euro. Lokayukta. Atau Lokayukta the way. Balita kita lain ngoten. You see? Di kamlong eh. Namar kini kita ki employees ki ba ha u Lokayukta.
MLAs of the VPP have staged a sit-in demonstration demanding for reinstatement of the officials of the Lokayukta who have been removed recently. So, your reaction?
Well, I think very simple, straightforward. Let me just tell you one thing. Now we are being guided by the acts and the rules. Those days, see, because we really wanted to make sure that Lokayukta is in place, start functioning, in spite of the fact of huge shortage of officers that we have, ultimately we managed somehow to again reappoint those retired officials. So Lokayukta started functioning, and it is functioning till now also. But let me just tell you one thing. The rules and the act says very clearly, it should be the serving officers. The post should be appointed, none other than the serving officers. So accordingly, we did that. But I saw the demand number one of BPP is that reinstate those two or something. Is that?
Yes.
Reinstate it. Or, okay. Otherwise, will be on the street. I would like to ask from them, on what basis? Reinstate for what? On what basis? Because now we already have a full-fledged serving officers in all these three posts. We already fill it up. And they were only on contractual basis. So, for what? I really don't understand. Why do they have to, go to the street and say all this? We have seen the letters sent by them. We have studied it, everything. And then we have already clarified also. That is like this, these are the rules, blah, blah, blah. So we have done it. So I don't see anything wrong at all with the decision taken by the government to bring in serving officers to this important post. It seems those terminated officials, they are related to maybe to those people. That's it.
Sir, since they said that on Monday, on 22nd, again they will resume back the protest. So they will continue the protest. So will you call them for talks or something, since they are the legislators?
No, we don't call them for talk. If they want to talk, we are ready. But why should we call? We have already explained everything.
Shuh makin mi jani syasura mar bagi kedai political party bagi don sangut ki amali atu kila ajubu kanu ka proposal ik Sorkar ni Jingïadei jingmon ba balai pi bang ne balai ni approach damaki
em kawan tak tu mesti baik. Ba ông bà hab lẹ chúng ta quyền nọ của ta ta kawan.
Thank you.
Thank you.